Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see the deployment of the new version of an application to the AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So let us go back to the console and the AWS Elastic Beanstalk environment that we have created and take it from there. This is my Elastic Beanstalk application, and this is my getting started app environment. So who you see here running version is the sample application, and it says upload and deploy. So let's say I have created the code and I want to deploy the newer version of the application. I would just go here and would do it. So first of all, I have to get the application code. So let me just pause the video and come back. All right, I have my code ready. I click on upload and deploy. You see version label, it has defined as sample application 1. I'm going to click on browse. I'm going to go to my code wherein I have this. And then if you want to change the version label, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, just click on deploy. Deploying the application, Elastic Beanstalk is updating the environment. It would take a few minutes, few seconds to do it. And if you would go and click on the event section, if you remember what all events and the error messages the event section can give us, it says deploying new version to instances, right? It would see it shows the message on the top as well that Elastic Beanstalk is updating the environment. And if you would, the control would automatically fills in the version label, as I told you. So while this Elastic Beanstalk deploys the files to the Amazon EC2 instances, we can view the deployment status on the environment dashboard like we are doing it now. While the application version is updated, the environment health status is gray. So if you would, it has updated. If okay, it would have been gray. So when the deployment is complete, Elastic Beanstalk performs an application health check. When the application responds to the health check, it's considered healthy and the status returns to green, like it did. The environment dashboard shows the new running version. So if you would go to the dashboard here, and as transition from OK to info, so the version is the latest one. The label here, the running version is sample application -1. Earlier it was sample application. To view the table, choose app. And you would click here. And if you would click on the application versions, it would say that the sample application was this, and the sample application -1 is this that we have uploaded. Click on environments, come back, click on this here, and let's see what we get. So nothing has changed, it's just we have updated the code. And I hope you liked this section of updating the code, the deployment here. Next, we will see how to configure the environment. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. Till next time, have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.